We often hear the phrase objective knowledge, neutral, detached, above politics. But in the humanities, neutrality is not a starting point, it is a question. Every act of knowledge comes from somewhere: a language, a history, an institution, what we study, how we study it, and which questions are considered legitimate are never accidental. Take a syllabus. It looks harmless, a list of texts, a sequence of weeks. But every syllabus reflects decisions: what is included, what is excluded, what is treated as central, and what is framed as supplementary. These decisions shape how students understand the world long before they realize they are being shaped. The same applies beyond the classroom. Media frames events. Policy reports define problems. Data is collected, classified, and interpreted. None of this happens outside power. This does not mean that all knowledge is propaganda. It means that knowledge is situated. To read the world carefully is to ask, what assumptions are being made here? Whose perspective is treated as universal? And whose experience is marked as context? When we claim neutrality too quickly, we often silence these questions. Critical reading does not reject expertise. It takes expertise seriously enough to interrogate it. This is why the humanities matter, not because they provide easy answers, but because they teach us how answers are produced. In a time of polarization, critical thinking is often misrepresented as cynicism. It is not. It is an ethical practice, a way of remaining accountable to complexity. Reading the world means refusing shortcuts. It means staying with difficulty long enough to understand what is at stake. In the next episode, we will ask another question. What happens when ideas travel from one language to another? This is Reading the World. قراءة العالم. One question at a time,